A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cap,
D for
doctor,
E for
elephant,
F for
face,
G for
girl,
H for
house,
I for
inkpot,
J for
jackal,
K for
king,
L for
lamb,
M for
man,
N for
nurse,
O for
orange,
P for
pencil,
Q for
queen,
R for
rose,
S for
sun,
T for
tree,
U for
uncle,
V for
van,
W for
watermelon,
X for
x-ray,
Y for
yarn,
Z for
zero,